Hi guys, it's me Julia back with another video. Today we're going to play some Adopt Me and I'm going to see what people offer for my rideable Mega Fly Ride dog. I don't have the best inventory, but at least I have some good pets like a golden, what are they called? Okay, dragon, a golden tiger, not a golden, a phoenix, a fly ride T-Rex, a rideable, what are they called again? Delia, I don't know how to say. I have a ginger cat, I have a ox, I have a white tiger, I have a squirrel, I have a bunny, I have a, what are they called again? Dilophosaurus, I have 3 tigers, I have a normal lunar ox, I have lots, 4 normal lunar ox, I have 1 rabbit, what are they called again? I think they're called a Kirin. Yeah, Kirin's, 16 pumas, 1 snow puma, 5 buffaloes, 4 cats, 1 dog, 1 otter, and 1 stingray. So that's not the best inventory ever, but at least it's good. At least I don't have at least I have good pets. So I'm gonna go teleport to gifts. Let's go. Oh god, I'm gonna have to set my character. Let me go teleport to gifts again. Is that oh? Let's get going. Let's get going. Okay. Oh, there are not that many people, but I think that's enough people. So what does that person say? Can you still ride Poe? Okay, I don't care. Can you add a 10? Let's see. I'm gonna say in the people already traded me. A person already traded me. Because the mega dogs are kind of rare. They offered a fly ride panda. I think I want them to add because I really, really like this dog and it's one of my favorite pets. So I'm gonna have to decline. Sorry. It's MBFF9411 traded me and they added a ride Griffin. No, because I'm gonna decline because 1, the golden pets are losing value, and the golden griffin is the most not the easiest to get, the least valuable in the golden egg. So yeah. No, I'm not gonna accept this offer because I wouldn't. But they did offer 2 white tigers, a red panda, an Australian kelpie, a normal tiger, a puma, a snow cat, a buffalo, and a magical princess unicycle. So let's see. I'm just gonna write it down. Can you? Let me just write that down. Writing mega dog. So let's see what are they trying to. Let's see what that guy's going. This guy's gonna offer. Oh no, I would accept that, but 1. It is a first try but I really like my mega dog as I said before, so I'm gonna decline. Yeah, I was about to decline, so yeah. Guys, I had something. I was so lucky getting the Lunar Golden Tiger because the first ever Lunar Tiger box I got, and first try I got the Golden Tiger. I was screaming of happiness. I'm gonna put in the chat again. Trading mega dog. So yeah, let's see what people have to offer. There's enough people to offer here, so yeah. I'm gonna try that girl because she is very rich. Oh, it's fine. I'm gonna add some other stuff. I was gonna add. Oh, she's probably gonna decline anyway, so I'm gonna try. I'm gonna trade a. I think I'm gonna trade a. I'm gonna say something. I'm gonna trading golden tiger for and ride potion. Trading. I plan to trade golden tiger, the golden dragon for fly ride potion. What did that girl say? Well, that person's, I think she's trying to beg for a thing, but I think no one is right now. I'm trying this girl because I am really looking for a fly ride or just ride turtles. Trading, okay. So, that was a neon T-Rex. Oh my god, I'm so poor. By the way, guys, I have a private server. It's just Juju. It's just a JUJ. That's my nickname, Juju. So yeah. OMG, that person's a frost dragon. What the hell? It's so cool. Anyway, and yeah. It's just Juju. Let me just Juju. If you want to join me, I'll be literally playing. It's really rare that I won't be playing Adopt Me that much or Pets. If I'm just watching some YouTube videos and stuff. So I am in. I will probably be online every time, or I'll probably either be playing Royal High, Adopt Me, or Liftopia because those are my three favorite games in Roblox. That's what I'm really digging right now. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna see what people. I want to see ABC if you have a mega unicorn, and if you would be so if. And my username, by the way, is Juniper Frankie, if you want to friend me, I will definitely accept. But I think you might have to put in your about you say Julia Sings fan because I don't know because I decline everyone that I don't know. So just put I'll check everyone's. What they're all about, and you have to put in your name a fan of Julia Sings, and it will be so kind of you guys. You don't have to, I'm not forcing you, but it would be so kind of you guys. It will make my day if you gave me your dream pet. Of course I'll give you some pets back. I'll be giving you my dream pet, by the way, is a Mega Neon Unicorn. It could be, if you want, it could be Fly Ride. I mean, you don't have to, but it could be fun, right? It's a Mega Neon Unicorn. I would be so proud of you guys if you could give me. I would be so happy. I would be screaming of joy. And of course I will give you all my great pets, like my Mega Neon dog, my golden dragon, my golden tiger, my phoenix, my flower T-Rex, my golden blue, I don't know what that's called. And yeah, so I will be screaming of joy. So, and yeah, I think this is the end of the video because, well, there's nothing else I can do. So yeah. And I think my drawings are going to be on I'm not sure if I'm done with them now. So, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like button if you don't have to. I'm just not for it. Please don't have to. And please subscribe and click that bell button and so you can see when I upload. And thanks so much for watching. Bye guys. Have a great day.